Welcome to the world of Lion Tapes, where passion works with technology to create the quality and comfort that drives global fashion. With precision, technique and unmatched expertise, we weave together threads of excellence, transforming essentials into masterpieces. Committed to innovation and excellence, we redefine industry standards and exceed expectations with every stretch and stitch.
The foundation of stretch bands and lion tapes is based on trust, integrity, and shared vision for success. With over 4 decades of experience and a legacy driven by family dedication and passion, we are proud to have served renowned names across the industry spectrum across the globe.
Lion Tapes, weaving elastic excellence.